You know, when it comes to belly fat loss, there's this overwhelming sea of information out there, and it can feel like you're drowning in it. Everyone has their own opinion, their own method, their own miracle solution. But let's cut through the noise and talk about what really works. First off, let's get one thing straight. There's no magic pill. If you want a slim waist, you've got to put in the work. And that starts with understanding the most effective exercises that can help you shed that stubborn belly fat. Let's kick things off with the classic, the tried and true, the plank. It's deceptively simple, but don't let that fool you. When you hold a plank, you're engaging your core, your back, your shoulders, and even your legs. It's a full-body workout in disguise. Start with 30 seconds and work your way up. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can build strength and endurance. And the best part? You can do it anywhere. No gym required. Next up, we have the bicycle crunch. This one is a game changer. It targets your obliques and rectus abdominis, which are the muscles that give you that coveted toned look. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and alternate bringing your elbow to the opposite knee. It's like riding a bike, but you're burning calories instead of just cruising along. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps and feel that burn. It's a sign that you're working hard and making progress. Now, let's not forget about high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This is where the magic happens. HIIT combines short bursts of intense exercise with brief rest periods. Think sprinting for 30 seconds, then walking for a minute. It's efficient, it's effective, and it keeps your metabolism revved up long after you've finished. You can mix in exercises like burpees, jumping jacks, or mountain climbers. The key is to push yourself during those intervals. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can see results. And we can't overlook the power of strength training. Lifting weights not only builds muscle, but also boosts your metabolism. Incorporate exercises like squats, deadlifts, and kettlebell swings. These compound movements engage multiple muscle groups, making them incredibly effective for fat loss. Plus, the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn at rest. It's a win-win. Finally, let's talk about consistency. It's not just about doing these exercises once and expecting a miracle. It's about making them a part of your routine. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and celebrate the small victories. Remember, achieving a slim waist is a journey, not a destination. So lace up those sneakers, get moving, and embrace the process. You've got this.